Locking your card on Binance is a straightforward process that helps enhance the security of your account. Follow these steps to ensure your card is locked effectively. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access the Binance website or app and enter your login credentials to sign into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the card management section. Once logged in, go to the wallet section and find the card management option. This is where you can manage your card settings. Step 3. Select your card. In the card management section, locate the card you wish to lock. Click on it to access the card details and settings. Step 4. Lock your card. Look for the option to lock your card. This may be labeled as lock card or disable card. Click on this option to initiate the locking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to lock the card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once confirmed, your card will be locked. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Binance, ensuring your account remains secure. Always remember to keep your account information private and monitor your transactions regularly.